You can see the ultimate front end kit a little bit right there. Cognito upper control arms, Fox reservoir shocks, all looking good. I don't know if you can see in there, prototype Fox steering stabilizer. A lot of the suspension mods right here. See all of the 4-inch lift kits. We got our 4-inch drop down here. Tie rods from the ultimate front end kit. Center link from the ultimate front end kit. You can't see the rest of the parts. They're kind of hidden in there and there's not a lot of light right now. And then these are the longer sway bar end links. Fuel system saver from VSE and the S&B fuel tank. So both of those do work together and there's plenty of space in there. Those work great. So we got to put all the lights on, but we upgraded all the LED lights and the third brake light. So those are super bright. These reverse ones are really bright. And when the reverse come on, we tied in the rear lights and brackets that we got from Baja Designs. And we're gonna make some final adjustments to them. You can kind of see they're a little bit, they're loose right now and they're kind of pointing upwards. But we're gonna find a level surface and level those out. But I wanted to get some footage for you guys before the customer comes to pick up the truck. And you can see that the Titan tank doesn't, the S&B tank doesn't sit too far, down. It's noticeably lower than the other ones, or even stock, but it's not terrible. And it's definitely not below the rear axle line. So this truck's really nice. I love the way it sits. There's no rear block back here. So this is a stock rear end with the Fox 2.0 shocks with the reservoirs. And then up front, we're sitting in that 3.5 to 4-inch range. And we still have good angles on our control arm and everything here too. We also went with the CTS3 and the pillar mount. So that's awesome. And yeah, that kind of probably wraps it up. I just wanted to show you guys what a truck can look like stock to what we can turn it into. Been doing these for about 13-14 years now, so we got it down pretty dang good, especially in all the Duramax trucks. Easy peasy. Baja Designs fog lights as well. And we upgraded the LED lights in the lows and the high beams. And those lights are pretty awesome too. Up on the third brake light. I think I covered everything. This is a 3500. You can see that extra spring pack right there. Got any questions or want your truck to be like this, you know where to find us.